Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we are going to use the concept of discriminant for solving the sum. Let's read out the question. Show that the equation this has equal roots if c square is equal to a square into 1 plus m square. How we are going to solve the sum? We are going to use the concept of discriminant. We know that if the roots are equal, then the value of discriminant is equal to 0. So if we prove that the value of discriminant equal to 0 by using this condition, we can easily solve the sum. So how we are going to prove the value of discriminant to be equal to 0? So we are supposed to insert the values of a, b and c in the formula for discriminant. For that we are going to convert the equation to the standard form. So this is the given equation. We are going to convert it into standard form. Let me write our standard form for you. The ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So x square plus m square x square plus 2mcx plus c square, and we'll take this a square to the other side. It will become minus of a square. So here we are having two terms of x square. We'll combine them. We'll take x square as common. So we are going to have this thing, and 2mcx plus c square minus a square equal to 0. So we have converted the given equation into standard form. Now from this equation we are going to identify the values of a, b and c. Here a is equal to 1 plus m square, b is equal to 2mc, and c is equal to c square minus a square. Now we'll insert these values into the formula for discriminant, which is first we are going to write down the condition, right? What we are supposed to find: if the roots are equal, this we have to find, the roots are equal, then the value of discriminant must be equal to 0. So at the end we'll prove that discriminant is equal to 0, right? So discriminant is b square minus 4ac. Let's insert the values. Instead of b, we'll write 2mc whole square minus of 4. Instead of a, 1 plus m square. Instead of c, c square minus a square. And we are supposed to apply this given condition also, right? Because this condition is given in the question. Let's move forward with the sum. We are going to solve it. We're going to open up the brackets. So it will become 4m square c square minus 4. We'll open up the brackets. It will become c square minus a square plus m square c square minus m square a square, right? So let's solve it further. We are going to open up the brackets. 4m square c square minus 4c square plus 4a square minus 4m square c square and plus 4m square a square. Let's see which term can be cancelled. This term is going to be cancelled. So we are left with 4a square minus 4c square plus 4m square a square. Let's take 4 common. So a square minus c square plus m square and c a square. So now we are going to apply the given condition. Let me write it down. Given condition was c square is equal to a square into 1 plus m square. So instead of this c, we are going to insert this value, given value. So a square is equal to minus a square into 1 plus m square, and this m square a square. Let's solve it. It will become a square minus a square minus a square into m square plus m square into a square. So these two terms will get cancelled and we are left with 4 into 0, which is equal to 0. So we have proved that the value of the discriminant is equal to 0 by using this given condition. So the roots were equal, the discriminant is equal to 0. So we have shown it by using the given condition. Hope you understand this sum. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.